guys, welcome to Wayne and Ashley's World. Today we're going to be making some Italian sausage stuffed jalapenos. What you're going to need for this recipe is you are going to need 1 block of cream cheese. You want that at room temp, so I have taken it out of the package to get that at room temp. You're going to need 2 things of your green onions, just 2 little stalks of that. You're going to use 1 cup of mild cheddar cheese. You're going to use as many jalapenos as you think you may need. I do sometimes cut a little more than I normally would use. And then I am also going to be adding in some garlic powder, just a little bit, not a whole lot is needed. And you're also going to need 1 pound of ground Italian sausage. So what I'm going to start out by doing is cutting all of the tops off of the jalapenos and de-seeding them and then putting them on my baking sheet here. Once I have completed that, I will then add in the chopped up green onion. Once I've chopped that up, I will add that into a bowl, as well as 1 cup of the mild cheddar cheese and a thing of cream cheese. Once I mix all that together, I will then go over to the stove and cook up 1 pound of ground Italian sausage and add that to the bowl as well. Mix that thoroughly, and then I will add that into the peppers, and they will go into a preheated 425-degree oven for 20 minutes until they are lightly brown and bubbly. So let's get started. And as you see, I am wearing some gloves today so that I don't get any more blisters on my hand from the limes or even from the jalapenos. So as you see here, I am just cutting off the tops and cutting them in half and taking out the insides as well as all of those seeds. As you see, I have sliced 15 jalapenos and taken all of the insides out and just laid them down here on the sheet. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut 2 stalks of green onion. Just going to cut the ends of them off here. And just finely mince those here. Once I'm done mincing that, I will add that to the bowl for the mixture. Okay, so I've got the 2 green onion, as you see, in the bowl there. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And I'm going to have my lovely little assistant, my son, help me pour this into the bowl. All right, go ahead, son, pour that into the bowl for me. Thank you. And next I will go ahead and add the block of cream cheese. And it is not easy to come off. There we go. And I'll use my knife just to grab the extra cheese that's stuck to the inside of the wrapper here. And add that to the bowl as well. Next, I'm going to go to the stove and I'm going to brown 1 pound of ground Italian sausage. And then once that has been browned, I will drain the grease from it and add it into this bowl as well and mix it. And then we will, once it is all nice and mixed, we will add it into the inside of the peppers here. And it will go into the preheated 425-degree oven for 15 minutes until it's lightly brown and golden. Gonna get in there and get that nice and crushed up. You want to make sure you get it into little pieces. You don't want big chunks. So I just keep on mashing at it as it's cooking to break it down. See, we've got it nice and lightly browned there. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off of the heat, and we are going to drain the excess grease out of the pan. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the meat into the bowl here. Make sure we get all of that goodness out. And then from here, that aside there, I'm just going to mix it with my hand. It does make it a lot easier. That way you can get it all nicely incorporated. Nicely incorporated. Make sure it's all nice and mixed there. All right, and there we've got the mixture is nice and mixed. And then next I will just go ahead and sprinkle in, I would say about a half of a teaspoon to a full teaspoon of some garlic powder. It does just give it a little additional flavor. It's pretty good. And I'll mix that in as well. All right, and that is nice and mixed in as well. Now I will just go ahead and add it to the peppers. I start off with a little bit just to work, make sure I have enough for all of the peppers. And then if there's additional, I'll go and add it on to each pepper at the end. And it is just easier just to use your hands. I used to do it with a spoon, and that was just way difficult. So Easier just to throw some gloves on, use your hands, and add it in. And there you have it. I've gone ahead and stuffed all of the peppers. I'm going to go and place them into the preheated 425-degree oven for 20 minutes or until they are light and bubbly. And there you have it. They baked for 20 minutes. As you can see, they are light and golden brown. They smell so good. I can't wait to dig in. And there you have it. That is the final outcome of our stuffed Italian sausage jalapenos. We're going to go ahead and insert the recipe here for you to screenshot and enjoy for yourself as well. Please like and subscribe, and we hope to see you again soon. Thanks.